Hello, this is Katsumi Hanada at EM Labs. This is our second YouTube about our free space material test solution. Today, I will show you wideband seamless measurements from 18 to 110 GHz. Please enjoy. Let's look at the setup first. Keysight Network Analyzer, Control PC, and EM Labs free space. Initially, the Kband adapters are connected for measurement from 18 GHz. 4 adapters are prepared in front: R-band, U-band, E-band, and W-band. I will change the adapters one by one and measure up to 110 GHz. In traditional systems, measured values often jump a lot when you change frequency bands, and it was considered unavoidable. Some of you might have that kind of frustrating experiences in the past. With a new solution, you can nicely evaluate materials through wide frequency range as there are no band gaps. Here is a summary of today's measurements. I will measure at 5 frequency bands one by one up to 110 GHz. In there, I will measure PTFE, polycarbonate, and PET to show our seamless measurements. I will also show you how easily you can change bands. For detailed measurement procedures, please watch our first YouTube. Let's begin with K-band measurements. First thing to do is TRL calibration. 3 conditions are measured: short, line, and through for system error correction. Calibration completed and ready to measure materials. It is very easy. You just set a sample and trigger measurement. I measure 3 samples: PTFE, polycarbonate, and PET. It actually takes only 5 minutes for calibration and 3 samples. Change band from K to R. Remove the coaxial cable first. Then remove 4 screws using a hex key. Finally, remove the adapter gently from the antenna. Put the R-band adapter on the antenna correctly with the positioning pins. Fix it with 4 screws. And finally, connect the coaxial cable. So nothing special. The other side is the same, and it takes about 5 minutes to change both sides. You just repeat measurements in the same way, band to band. Actually, I can complete all the measurements up to 110 GHz only in 1 hour. It is surprisingly faster than traditional measurements. Let's look at the results. I combine results in Excel to show wideband performance. First, about decay values. You can clearly see that all 3 materials have very flat characteristics up to 110 GHz. The F values are quite different among the materials. PTFE is flat, while polycarbonate and PET show higher DF values as frequency goes higher. As you see here, free space is a powerful tool to evaluate frequency characteristics of materials. Unfortunately, the application was rather limited. because it was believed inaccurate. The new free space solution of EM Labs already started showing interesting wideband characteristics of various materials. I think it was a simple but powerful demonstration, especially if you know how it looks like in the past. For further information, please contact 2EM Labs. If you have materials you'd like to evaluate now, please use our measurement service. Thank you for watching.